my name is Kadishta. I am studying in 8th class. My project is hydraulic dam in Sarvani Vidyalayam. Today I will explaining about the importance of electricity. Electricity is one of the most important blessings that science has given to mankind. It has also become a part of modern life and one cannot think of a world without it. It is used for domestic entertainment and industrial purpose also. Modern means transportation and communication have been revolutionized by it. Even things from watches to trains now run on electricity. Electricity plays an important role in fields of medicine and surgery. We can generate electricity by power plants. We have several types of power plants like hydroelectric power plant, coal-fired power plant, solar power plant, wind power plant, nuclear power plant, diesel power plant.
Good afternoon, my name is P. Bhavyasri from 9th class in Sarvani Vidyalayam. Working functions of hydroelectric power plant. Hydroelectric power plant are one of the most effective and eco-friendliest of all power plants. In a hydroelectric power plant, electricity is granted from water. In detail, the potential energy of water is converted to electrical energy. When the water is made to fall from a height onto a turbine, it spins the armature which is connected to a generator. When the turbine spins, the generator starts produce the electricity. This is the working model of dam. Here we can observe huge quantity of water is stored another side of dam. The stored water have potential energy. That potential energy is converted to kinetic energy falling from height. The moving water spins the turbine which is connected to a generator. It converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. Thank you.
Good morning sir, I will tell about the atmosphere layers. The atmosphere layers was divided into two layers. There are heterosphere and homosphere. In homosphere, it divided into three thermal layers. There are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. In heterosphere, it divided into two layers, and thermosphere and exosphere. Troposphere, it is the uppermost, lowermost layer of the earth. It extends the height 8 kilometers near the poles and 18 kilometers at the equator. In this layer, life was present. Stratosphere, it is the second layer of the atmosphere. It extends the height 40 kilometers. And it is in this layer, ozone layer was present. And it is called as mesosphere. Mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere. Meteorites were burned up as they entered from the space. The temperature is rising rapidly, increasing in altitude. And thermosphere. The thermosphere layer also known as the ionosphere because the electrical charged particles were present in this layer. They are called as the ionos. It extends the height 400 kilometers. Exosphere. The exosphere starts 500 kilometers and goes near the 10,000 kilometers. In the layer, it contains low density and of hydrogen and helium.
Good morning sir, this is Hemanya, Manogna, Madhulata Reddy and Yokshita. We are studying in Sarvani Vidyalayam, Narsannapeta. Today I am going to tell you about our project Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of Republic of India. It was instituted on 22nd January 1954. The award is concerned with the achievements in highest orders without the distinction of race, religion or occupation. The recommendations of the Bharat Ratna were made from the Prime Minister to the President of India. There were 3 nominals per year. The recipients of Bharat Ratna received a Sanand or certificate signed by the President of India and a people-shaped medallion without any monetary fund. The observed side of Bharat Ratna contains the picture of the sun and written as Bharat Ratna in Devanagari script, and the back side of the Bharat Ratna contains our national emblem and written as Satyameva Jayate in Devanagari script. Thank you.
The 2 civilian awards are Padma Vibhushan and also Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award. In 1955, it was modified approximately 58 millimeters long, 48 millimeters wide and also 3.2 millimeters thick.
In 1954, 3 members got the Bharat Ratna. C. Rajagopalachari, last Governor General of Independent India. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the Vice President of India. C. V. Raman, scientist and also awarded Nobel Prize. Thank you.
In the year 2019, 3 members received the Bharat Ratna Award. Pranab Mukherjee, he was the Indian politician and senior leader in INC. Bhupen Hazarika, he was the singer, lyricist, musician from Assam. Nanaji Deshmukh, he was the social activist. Thank you.